skehtiä.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ja sånt skehtiä Laukonlinna.
It's really beautiful today. On the 2nd of March 2025. What was the address?
Laukontori 6, staircase A.
Sitä odotetaan Forsvikan Finland. It's between 1975, turning 90 years old this year, and this year was AF. 91. Stood by grandmothers. It's rare.
Yeah.
I think also these ones are rare. Or maybe they're renewed, but still amazing. 3 rights here.
Yeah.
I think best these 4 cars of things. Let's have a look at the cameras. I think the light was changed later.
Yeah.
In the 60s maybe. No, they should have just kept the original lights. Otherwise this is perfect.
Yeah.
And that definitely was also changed. And that's the white quality.
Ispe bike device without maintenance also now describe this.
It's one of the best elevators we didn't yet film it under.
Yeah.
Well, maybe not but at least one of the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. This was wonderful. And it was beautiful.
Yeah.
Just need to turn on the lights. Switch them on. Very good for every special.
That's